fourth set of properties, in which first one, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Remember the restriction here, x and y must be greater than or equal to 0, and very important, x into y must be less than 1. X into y must be less than 1. Okay, so proof is like this. Take tan inverse of x is equal to a and tan inverse of y is equal to b. Now if you take tan inverse of x is equal to a, you know that this implies x is equal to tan a, and this implies y is equal to tan b. And we are using one formula from trigonometry from first PUC, and that formula is tan of a plus b. Remember? Yes, it is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So using this formula, we are going to prove this result. See, as follows. Now I took this first one as a, this one as a b. So now consider tan of a plus b. What is tan of a plus b according to this? It is tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. What is tan a? Tan a is equal to x. Tan b is equal to y divided by 1 minus x into y. So here we have tan of a plus b. So this implies, observe this carefully. Now I'm going to take tan into that side, so it becomes a plus b is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Now tell me what we should do. Yes, you're right. A is nothing but tan inverse of x. What is b? Tan inverse of y. See, observe carefully here. We got the answer, which is nothing but tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x into y. So this complete the first result. Again, this is also very important result for board exam point of view for 3 marks. Observe carefully here. I took first one as a, next one as b, and this is important. Without using this, you cannot prove this. That is first PUC formula, tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. And be careful whenever you are using this result in problem. Please check whether the x into y is less than 1. What will happen if x into y is greater than 1? See, observe carefully. If x into y is greater than 1, you know x is positive, y is positive. So this is positive, this is positive. Tan inverse of positive is positive. Tan inverse of positive is again positive. So sum of two positive number will be positive. And if x into y is more than 1, numerator is positive but denominator is negative. And tan inverse of negative is definitely negative. So you will get like this. Positive is equal to negative, which is not possible. So please be careful that whenever using this result in problem, x into y must be less than 1. Remember, x into y must be less than 1. And proof, as I told, important for 3 marks. So proof is as follows. I hope you understood. Yes. The next one, it is again almost same as that of the first one. You can observe the statement is almost same. Only changes this plus become minus. So because of this, this plus become minus, this minus become plus. So easy to understand, just like this. So again here take first one as a, second one as b. Yes. Now this implies x is equal to tan a and y is equal to tan b. Now tell me which formula we should consider here. Yeah, you're right. We should consider tan of a minus b. How to decide this? Whether you should take tan of a plus b or tan of a minus b. See the result. If you want x minus y by 1 plus x into y, you should consider tan of a minus b, because the result is tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. You can observe here one more thing. Here one restriction is not there. X into y greater than 1 or less than 1, that restriction is not there, because the reason is 1 plus x into y. Maybe positive or negative, it will not affect the left hand side and right hand side. So here only restriction is both x and y should be positive. So proof is already started. So using this result, okay, I can rewrite the given problem like this. Tan of a minus, because I took this is a, this is b, I'm considering tan of a minus b, and it will become now, and using the result, tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Now substitute back. What is tan a? X. What is tan b? Y divided by 1 plus x into y. So this side we have tan of a minus b. We want tan inverse, so take this into this side. So a minus b will become tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x into y. So as we did in the first result, replace a by tan inverse of x, b by tan inverse of y. So you will get tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. So this will complete the proof. Remember here restriction is only x and y must be positive. Don't worry about whether x into y is less than 1 or greater than 1. Again, this is also an important proof for 3 marks. Please remember. So I hope you understood these two results. Now using these two results, we are going to prove the third one. It is simple. Directly using the first result, you can complete it easily. Observe this carefully. Yeah, first consider this result. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x into y. Now in this result, to get the third result, simple, very simple, put x is equal to y or y is equal to x1 and the same. So observe what will happen. Tan inverse of x, replace y by x again, tan inverse of x equal to tan inverse of x, replace y by x by 1 minus x into x. So what is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of x? 2 times, that is 2 times tan inverse of x. Observe carefully what will happen in right hand side. X plus x is 2x, x into x is x square. So you will get the third result very easily. Here restriction is only x should be greater than or equal to 0. So these 3 proofs are important. This third one is not for 3 marks, it's just for 2 marks. You may get this also, but not very important. You may get that third one for 2 marks. So I hope you understood first 3. See, you can see one more result I wrote in a board, and also I wrote proof is not required. Yeah, it is proof. This proof is not required. Then why this is required? In problem purpose, this result is required. And observe carefully here. When you compare with the first one, these two look like almost same. Can you observe what is the difference? Yeah, here pi plus is not there, here pi plus is there. As well as here the condition is x into y. So you may get question here. Suppose x into y is greater than 1, what to do with addition? Yeah, if x into y in this result is more than 1, then use this statement. What is statement? Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 divided by 1 minus x into y. Now how it will solve? Okay, the problem which you face in the first one, I'll explain. See this. Since x is positive, left hand side is positive, plus y is positive, again the second term in the left hand side is positive. Yes. So what is the conclusion? Left hand side is positive always. Now take the right hand side. It become pi plus, yeah, if x into y is greater than 1, this whole thing will become negative. So minus, okay. This angle is definitely less than 180 degree. This angle is definitely less than 180 degree. So 180 minus less than 180 degree, definitely it's positive. So sum of two positive number is positive. So the problem is solved. You will not get one side is positive, one side is negative. So you will get both sides is positive. So remember, when x into y is greater than 1, don't forget to write pi plus. So these are the 4 very, very, very important properties. Thank you.